How to reverse video on Clipchamp. I'm going to tell you how or if it's actually possible to reverse a video on Clipchamp. Currently, Clipchamp doesn't have a built-in reverse video feature, but don't worry because there are ways to work around it. First, upload your video to Clipchamp and edit as needed. Once you're happy with the edits, export the video and use an external tool like Capwing, EasyGIF, or Clidio to reverse it. These online tools are free and easy to use. Just upload your exported video, apply the reverse effect, and download the final version. If you prefer to stay within Clipchamp, you can create a manual reverse effect by splitting the video into small clips and rearranging them in reverse order. While this method works best for short clips, it can be tedious for longer videos. So while Clipchamp doesn't offer a direct reverse option, you can still achieve the effect with a little extra effort. Hopefully, they add this feature in the future.